Are you seeing double? No, you're just seeing a $5 bill that sold for $22,800. And I'm going to tell you what to look for and what you should do if you come across a bill like this. So this is a pretty rare occurrence when it comes to US federal currency. Essentially, the second print was accidentally doubled. So this will typically happen when the sheet is fed through the machine twice. Now you have to be very careful if you're ever buying or finding one of these bills, because there are people out there that will see prices like this and they'll say to themselves, I could simply get a $5 bill and use my printer to print on top of this bill to make it look just like this. Now, any expert will be able to tell you immediately if the error is fake or not. In this case, it was authenticated by a third-party company called PMG. These guys are experts, they know exactly what they're doing, and they know that this was a genuine error. This gives collectors peace of mind when buying something like this, that it's not fake. So if you come across a bill like this, you pretty much have to get it graded if you want to get anywhere near this amount of value. And if you don't, you're going to run into issues like people thinking the bill is fake and not offering you as much money. Another thing I would recommend if you find a bill like this is taking it to a few people, getting their opinions. Don't just take it to the first person that offers you a few $100s, because it could be worth a lot more money than just that. This person probably found this bill, kept it safe, did not fold it or damage it, because again, guys, that will decrease the value of the bill. And later on, after they got it graded, they went ahead and sold it, and it sold in auction for $22,800. If you enjoyed this video, YouTube says you'll enjoy the video on the screen, so click on that video and I'll see you inside.